Section 113, Invoicing and Accounting Requirements for VAT Registered Person. So alam natin na kapag hindi kompleto ang invoicing requirements natin, this would be disallowed. In this section kasi, tinanggal na ang requirements for the business style and the address. Paminsan, di ba, kapag nag-i-issue tayo ng mga invoices, yung address laging kulang ang nilalagay or yung business style walang laman. Dati, that would be ground for disallowance of input VAT. Pero right now, hindi na siya required. So kahit hindi tayo naglagay ng business style or kapag incomplete ang address natin, this would still be allowed to be used as input VAT for credit on the part of the purchaser. So the added provision would be if a VAT registered person issues a VAT invoice to another VAT registered person with lacking information, the VAT shall still be allowed to be used as input VAT. Pero kailangan nandun pa rin would be the amount of sales, the amount of VAT, the name and TIN of both the purchaser and the seller, description of goods, nature of services, and the date of transaction. If it is VAT exempt or zero rated, di ba kailangan it would need to be written or printed prominently. Pero ngayon, it is no longer needed.